If Gamma is giving you a PowerPoint export error, don't worry. There are a few proven fixes you can try right away. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot the problem step by step so you can get your deck exported successfully without wasting hours guessing what went wrong. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and productivity tips. First, switch to PDF before you do anything else. In Gamma, click Share then Export and choose Export to PDF. This is an important test because the PDF export uses a native web print renderer, and that handles fluid web layouts much better than PowerPoint does. If the PDF export works, that tells you the issue is specifically with the PowerPoint conversion, not your entire deck. That means your content is probably fine, but something in the layout is breaking the PPT export process. Next, flatten or simplify cards that have heavy formatting. Gamma decks can look great on screen, but some cards may contain too much visual complexity for PowerPoint to handle cleanly. Look for cards with multiple columns, dense spacing, large embedded blocks, or extra styling elements. If you find any of those, simplify them. A good rule is to turn multi-column layouts into single vertical blocks whenever possible. That gives the export engine a much cleaner structure to convert. If a card is too long or too crowded, split it into two separate cards instead of forcing everything into one slide. This usually makes the PPTX export far more reliable. Now remove any web embeds from the deck. Things like live website windows, embedded forms, interactive elements or videos can trigger export problems, especially when Gamma tries to convert them into PowerPoint. PowerPoint is much less flexible than a browser-based view, so live content can cause errors or broken slides. The safest fix is to delete those embeds and replace them with static screenshots or standard text hyperlinks instead. That keeps the visual reference while removing the export risk. If you need the viewer to visit a page later, use a clean hyperlink instead of embedding the live page directly. If your presentation is very long, the next fix is to duplicate and split the deck. Large decks can sometimes fail during export because the conversion process gets overloaded. To work around that, make a duplicate of your presentation. In the first copy, delete the second half of the content. In the second copy, delete the first half. Then export both halves as smaller PPTX files. After that, open Microsoft PowerPoint and merge the two files together. This is a smart workaround because it reduces the strain on Gamma's export engine and gives you two smaller, easier-to-handle presentations. If you're still getting errors after that, go back and check for any cards that have unusual spacing, nested elements or content that appears clipped on the screen. Those are often the exact spots where export issues begin. Simplifying the design, reducing embedded content, and splitting the deck usually fixes the majority of Gamma PPT export problems. So to recap, the best way to fix a Gamma app PPT export error is to first test PDF export, then simplify complex cards, remove web embeds, and split long decks into smaller sections before merging them in PowerPoint. That workflow gives you the best chance of exporting cleanly without losing time on repeated failed attempts. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.